The Kite and the Wind. A young boy named Sam loved flying kites. One windy day, he let his kite soar high into the sky. Watching it dance among the clouds, he noticed how the kite pulled against the string, trying to break free. An older man sitting nearby noticed Sam's struggle and said, "Sometimes letting go isn't the answer. The string holds it up, gives it stability, and allows it to fly higher." Curious Sam loosened his grip on the string, and as expected, the kite wavered and quickly fell to the ground. The old man continued, "Sometimes in life, the things that seem to hold us back are actually helping us grow. Embrace those challenges. They are what allow us to soar." Sam took his words to heart, understanding that challenges could give him strength. From that day forward, Sam saw his challenges differently, knowing they might be the very things that would help him reach new heights.